Hey guys, it's your girl Chanel, aka Nelly B, and today's video is me showing you how I made this rose tea. But before we get into that, hi, thanks for joining. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, don't forget to click that bell notification so that you can join the Nelly B family and never miss an update. So the first thing we're going to do is just break down the roses, get rid of the stem, and separate all of the petals. I'm just going back through to make sure that all the petals are fully separated, as well as getting rid of any little bits and pieces that I may not particularly like, if they're dirty or if they're looking a bit old or crusty. Next step is adding the water. I added 1.5 cups of water for the 2 flowers that I had. And once I was done pouring the hot water in, I just covered it and left it to basically steep. This is what it looked like as soon as I put the hot water in and covered it. And this is what it looked like a few hours after when I switched containers. I left it overnight and now it's fully cool, so the next step is to strain it. I'm just pressing down on the petals to make sure that I get all of the liquid out. The next step is to add some glycerin. I'm gonna put a list of links for you guys to see the benefits of using rose in your hair and your skin, as well as glycerin, in the description box. And it's now time to fill up my spritz bottle. As for what didn't get into my spray bottle, I will just put that in the fridge so I have it for future usage. And that is it, guys. I plan to use this as a spritz for leave-in as well as a rose tea rinse. There are a lot of benefits that you can get with your hair in terms of using rose tea. Like I said, I'll link a few articles that you guys can read down in the description box. And I'm really looking forward to trying this and other DIY things to help with my hair journey. As always, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, take care and God bless. Bye.